Hi everyone, I'm Diego, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue that we have right here. Notice that this image is looking weird right now, and we actually want to, show the face of the robot like we're seeing right here. So we're gonna jump from something like this to something like this. And yeah, this was an issue that one of my recent customers had. Um, they had this because they were adding vertical images to their blog post as featured images. And that's basically what happened, what was causing the problems. Because um, in the blog post, they have this vertical image, but then on the blog post section, um, the code is trying to, adapt a vertical image inside a horizontal container. So yeah, just as an advice, try to, plan ahead and standardize image sizing. So maybe for blog posts, you always have horizontal images, and you avoid this kind of problems in the future. So anyways, if you have this problem, you want to fix it, go ahead and right click on a blank space of a page. You hit inspect, and that's going to prompt Google DevTools. I'm actually going to go ahead and just show you the screen so you can see my whole screen. And notice that on DevTools, we have this icon right here. This icon is going to allow you to, hover over the elements of a page and see exactly where they are in the code. So uh, when you see the card that you want to, fix, use the up and down arrow keys until you find just the container that holds the image. Whoops, this one right here. So notice that this is a div. That means that it's a container, but we don't need the container. We need the actual image. So open the container by clicking these three little dots, and notice that we're gonna see more containers. Keep opening those containers until you find the image. For example, in this case, we're seeing now the img tag. This is the actual image. And when you find that, go to my blog. And this is a blog post that you have to look for, how to fix code.blog images in Shopify. And yeah, copy the code that I'm leaving there and paste that in between these two symbols. So Command V or Control V for Windows users. And notice that now the image got refocused, right? Now we're presenting a different part of the image. And we just did this in DevTools to make sure that it's gonna work on Shopify, right? So when you find out that it works, go ahead and right click the img tag, and you go ahead and copy the selector so that we're going to tell Shopify, look for this specific part of the code and apply these CSS rules. So let's go to Shopify. You go to online store, themes, and then you customize the theme that has the issue. So you scroll down to your section, you click the section and look for the options. Look for something that says something like, in this case, custom CSS, right? And you are going to paste the selector. Notice that we have a bunch of code now. And you have to insert these symbols as well. And then finally, you have to copy again the line of code. And in between these symbols, you paste the line of code, the CSS rule, and notice that now the image is fixed. Now you may go ahead and click save. And if you go ahead and refresh your page, notice that the page is gonna be fixed now. So that's basically it. That's how you fix it with the line of code. I'm gonna be leaving the description of this blog post in the description of the video. And please leave me comments, Let me know if this helped you, or if you want me to help you with something else. I'll be happy to, respond to whatever doubts you have about this video, and I'll see you in another video.